Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TaoTronics space heater, anything with a digital display such as the HE003, and you're getting an error on the display of a P4. And you're wondering what the P4 error is and how do you get rid of it? Because if you have a P4 error up here, the heater will not turn on. And the reason the heater will not turn on if you get a P4 error is the P4 is indicating that all of these heaters have tip over protection so they don't start fires. When they tip over, the heater will sense it and it will turn the heat off. So what you'll need to do is make sure that you are just setting this heater upright, and you may need to just turn it completely off. Get it set up upright and turn it back completely on. And even if you're getting it and you don't seem and it hasn't tipped over, make sure it's not like leaning or tilting or anything like that, because that can trigger this P4 error. You need to have your heater on a flat, level, stable surface, because even like shaking and stuff like that can trigger it. So anyways, that's all there is to it. Hope this helped. If it did, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.